Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to use your Navajo keyboard on your Android device with Google Docs. So on your device, if you don't already have it, you should say Docs, like this one right here. Press it. Let's go to a new one. You know, you can create a new document. And the English keyboard comes up. So down here at the bottom corner, you'll need to toggle your Navajo keyboard. Click it, and now you can write in the So that's how you are going to use it, and everything will remain the same. It won't change or anything. But if you want to cheat, you can press the PH button. Put some sentences together. Cheat a little bit for time purposes. Again. Here it there. Cheat again a little bit. It is on this one there. So everything that you're typing, you can save it, and it will be saved in your documents. So later on, when you open it again, everything should be the same. And that's how you use the Navajo keyboard with Google Docs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good night.